Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting 2 kg ripe grapes or 3 kg mixed fruit, wash and destem, then crush by foot or with a clean mallet in a large sanitized bowl. Measure 1 cup sugar and dissolve in 1 liter warm water to raise potential alcohol. Pour over crushed fruit and mix thoroughly so sugar contacts all pulp. Sanitize jars, buckets, cloths, and stirring spoons with boiling water and a splash of white vinegar. Good sanitation reduces spoilage and keeps wild microbes manageable. Transfer crushed fruit and juice into a clean bucket or large jar. Cover with a breathable cloth secured with a rubber band to keep insects out while allowing gas escape. Add 1 teaspoon active dry wine or baker's yeast if you want predictable results, or rely on natural yeast for spontaneous fermentation. Both will convert sugars into alcohol. Stir the must twice daily for 5 to 7 days to submerge skins and aerate. Keep the batch at roughly 20 degrees C to 25 degrees C for steady yeast activity and flavor development. After 7 to 10 days, strain solids through a clean cloth and press remaining pulp to extract more juice. Pour the liquid into clean bottles or jars, leaving about 3.5 cm headspace to allow some expansion. Seal with a balloon pierced once or a loosely fitted cap so CO2 can escape during secondary fermentation. If using balloons, check for bulging and release excess pressure carefully. Store bottles in a cool, dark place and age for 1 to 3 months, tasting occasionally. Chill before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.